Good morning, children. And in the previous class, I taught you about the roots, leaves, and some vegetables and of the stem also, isn't it? Next, we'll go for this flowers. Which flower we are going to eat of the plants as a vegetable? This is broccoli and cauliflower. Broccoli is nothing but it's like in cauliflower itself. Broccoli also look like cauliflower. That is also vegetable. Cauliflower is nothing but people will eat gobi manchurino. Will prepare in that cauliflower itself. Broccoli also more nutrient food vegetable. We also get seeds of plants as food. Seeds of plants including cereals and pulses. Cereals and pulses together are called food grains. I told you before itself that we are going to eat the seeds of the vegetables. Like for example, the seeds of the plant. We get seeds of plants as food. See, this are all seeds of the plants. Seeds of plants like cereals and pulses. Which are cereals and pulses, children? Wheat, rice, maize, bajra. All these are cereals. These are cereals of the food vegetables. Plants. This we are going to eat. Isn't it? You all saw this, seen this, right? This wheat, rice, maize, bajra. And this is the pulses. Pulses means nothing but you will call kadgul, right? That is called pulses. Moong dal, urd dal, rajma seeds, gram. All these are the pulses. This together is called the food grains. We call it as food grains. Plants gives us many spices. Spices gives food a good smell. You all know, no, for masala and for pulao, something for puliyogre, everything. We are going to apply, put this masalas, right? Mustard, coriander, chilies, cardamom. All these are spices. We call it as spices which we going to your parents, your mother going to prepare and cook in kitchen, right? While preparing something, you will get good smell. Oh my God, it's very tasty. You will feel, no. So this is the spices smell. You will get that. This is the spices. That is mustard, coriander, chilies, cardamom. All these plants are spices. Seeds are spices. Other useful things from plants. What are the other useful things we get from the plants? We get sugar from the stem of the sugarcane plant. See this, children, this is sugarcane. Sugarcane you all know that is called kabbu. You will eat it no, in Sankranti and all. That is sugarcane. How will you get this small sugar seeds? Yes, because they will remove all the juice from this sugarcane and they are going to prepare the sugar and jaggery. Jaggery is nothing but bella, we call, isn't it? Jaggery and sugar both will get from the sugar cane. This is the last we are going to eat, that is broccoli and cauliflower, and these are the food grains, that is cereals, wheat, rice, maize, bajra, and pulses is moong dal, urd dal, rajma and gram. These are the food grains, and this is the spices, mustard, coriander, chili, cardamom. This is the spices, and other useful things from the plants is we get sugar from sugarcane. Okay. There are most of useful things we get from the plants, children. See, look at here. Tea tea and coffee. How do you get that tea powder and coffee powder? That are the, we call it as beverages. Tea and coffee are the beverages. If anybody asks you question about what are the beverages, you have to tell that tea and coffee are beverages. Tea leaves are dried. So what they'll do, they'll pick all the tree leaves and they'll use to dry up. And after that, after drying, that we used to we'll prepare in the dry leaves tea. Tea and coffee are beverages. Tea leaves are dried and used as tea. That's it. Coffee beans are crushed to give coffee. So you'll get in the coffee plant, you'll get some small seeds in red color, children. Yeah, it's in red color. We are going to dry up that. We'll take out the seeds inside that small seeds. Inside that we have small seeds. We'll take out that and we'll give it for crushing. After that we'll get the coffee powder. And cotton and jute. See, this is a jute plant, children. Are obtained from cotton plants and jute plant respectively. Cotton plant you all have been seen near your houses or in village places. Cotton will going to directly get from the plant itself, and jute also, it's a leaves. So this is about today's plants we are going to use. What are the uses of plants we have learned in this lesson. Okay, go through this lesson from starting, children, and work hard at home. Okay, thank you.